Today we are going to see about TH digraph. TH makes two sounds. Let's see now. Thick, that. In thick, it says the. It's a soft sound. In that, it says the. It's a hard sound. But how to make children understand or how to identify these hard or soft sound? Let me share a few tips. Whenever we see th between two vowels, we are going to read it or we are going to pronounce it as hard sound. For example, mother, it's the sound because it comes between the two vowels. One more example, Matthew. Again, the is between two vowels. So if TH, the, is coming between the two vowels, then it's a hard sound. The second tip is the end of the word or syllable. If in the end of the word or syllable, you have to pronounce TH with a soft sound. It's not the, it's it. For example, death, birth, path. If you see these TH, it pronounces soft sound th. In the next video, we will see two more tips how to identify the soft and hard TH. Thank you.